Dear students, now we are going to discuss RQ value, respiratory quotient or respiratory ratio during respiration. That respiration is either aerobic or anaerobic. So now what about RQ? Values of various respiratory substrates. Respiratory quotient or ratio also correct. Actually, it is ratio quotient. Okay, right? So what about the definition for RQ? The ratio between volume of CO2 evolved, CO2 evolved to O2 consumed during respiration. Okay. So animal tissue or plant tissue or a cell definitely able to perform respiration during which CO2 evolved, O2 consumed. According to this definition, simply one should go to aerobic respiration, but actually RQ is applicable to both aerobic and anaerobic respirations. Even though the statement is reflecting that RQ is applicable to only aerobic respiration. That is wrong concept. It is applicable to both aerobic and anaerobic. So it is applicable to RQ value applicable to both aerobic and anaerobic respirations. Applicable to both. Okay, right? So here equation for RQ is volume of CO2 evolved, volume of CO2 evolved by volume of oxygen consumed or utilized. Okay, so that is a equation for RQ, respiratory quotient. So RQ value is a variable that depends on respiratory substrate. On the basis of RQ value, one could guess the type of respiratory substrate undergoing oxidation, right? So now, what about the RQ value of various respiratory substrates? So RQ value of various respiratory substrates are biomolecules which are undergoing oxidation. So first one, what about RQ value of carbohydrates? First one, carbohydrates. This is very, very important. carbohydrates. Take glucose molecule. So in glucose molecule, what about the number of carbon atoms? C6, H12O6. Here, very, very important thing is, in any type, whatever the type of respiratory substrate, check the number of carbon atoms and oxygen molecules, or carbon atoms and oxygen molecules. So what about carbon atoms? 6 carbon atoms, and here 6O2. So here ratio between carbon and oxygen is almost 1:1 ratio. There is no difference. And number of oxygen molecules required. Okay, so here 6O2 means here I'm taking aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. During aerobic respiration, what is the RQ value of the carbohydrate? Okay, so gives rise 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus 686 kilocalories of energy. So here, what about the number of CO2 molecules? Sorry. 6CO2, sorry. 6CO2. So 6CO2 by 6O2. So RQ value is 1. Okay. So that is during aerobic respiration. And we will discuss anaerobic respiration separately. First, aerobic respiration. During aerobic respiration. That is about glucose carbohydrates. So always if carbohydrate is oxidized during aerobic respiration, this statement is very, very important. During aerobic respiration, RQ value is always 1. That is common for all carbohydrates during aerobic respiration. And second one, fats. Okay, so here given example is given example. Try in your textbook palmitin. Try palmitin. So what about the equation given one? Carbon C51. Carbon number 51. H98. O6. C51. Hydrogen 98. O6. Now compare number of carbon atoms and oxygen atoms. This carbon number 51, oxygen molecules 6 only. So fats are fats poor in oxygen, less quantity of oxygen, and rich in carbon. Rich in carbon. Okay, right? So they are rich in carbon, poor in oxygen. Definitely they need a more amount of oxygen to cause oxidation of all these carbon atoms. Here, how many carbon atoms? 6. Here, 51. For 6 carbons, 686 kilocalories of energy. 50 carbons, highest amount of energy is possible out of fats. So if they question you, out of all the respiratory substrates, highest amount of energy possible is go for fats. Reason is more number of carbon atoms are present. Okay, right? So this is a one molecule. In your textbook, they took 2 times, 2 molecules. This is very, very important. 2 molecules of tripalmitin. needs what about the number of oxygen molecules? 145 O2 molecules. Okay, 2 molecules, 145. So per molecule, how many? If it is a 1 molecule by 2, that is a 72.5. 1 is to 72.5. 2 molecules, 145. Prepare the ratio yourself. 145 O2 molecules consumed. See, what about the number of oxygen molecules? Very less. Carbon number 51. So they need more amount of oxygen to cause oxidation of that much number of carbon atoms and gives rise number of CO2 molecules. Make it double. 102 CO2 molecules. 102 CO2 molecules. If it is 1 molecule, 51 only. 2 molecules they took. Next, what about the H2O? 98 H2O molecules. And energy, highest energy, maximum amount of energy possible. Okay, so now RQ value. What about the number of O2 molecules? Oxygen molecules and O2 molecules, CO2 molecules, sorry. 102 divided by 145. So less by more. Okay, less value by more value. Numerator, denominator. So here less value, more or less, definitely less than 1. So the RQ value of this one is around 0.7. So less than 1. And here very important thing is RQ value depends on number of carbon atoms present in respiratory substrate, number of oxygen atoms or molecules present in respiratory substrate, and it depends on number of O2 molecules consumed and number of CO2 molecules evolved. But according to equation, CO2 evolved by O2 consumed. Okay, acceptable. Here, number of O2 molecules consumed depends on number of carbon atoms here, number of oxygen molecules also. Okay, so RQ value in general, it depends on number of or volume or molecules of CO2 evolved by number of or volume of O2 consumed. Okay, acceptable. In addition to those two statements, it depends on number of carbon atoms and oxygen atoms also. So there is about tripalmitin. Next, this is also aerobic respiration. This is also during aerobic respiration. The reason we are taking 145 or certain number of O2 molecules. Next, third one, proteins. Pure form of protein is not suitable for oxidation, definitely in the form of amino acid. In general, usually each amino acid is with how many oxygen atoms? That is in the case of carboxylic group, COOH. Okay, COOH. Only 2 oxygen atoms are present. That is common for almost all amino acids. But what about R group? Variable. That may be CH2 or CH3, CH4, like that. So usually carbon number is more than oxygen number. So like fats, proteins means amino acids actually. Go back to amphibolic pathway. Protein is not suitable for oxidation. They enter in the form of deaminated amino acid only. So rich in carbon, and pour in oxygen. Okay, so their RQ value also, your equation is not required. RQ value is according to your textbook 0.9 is the RQ value. Okay, so that's about according to INSEAD textbook. Now we are going beyond the INSEAD textbook. Aerobic respiration, aerobic respiration, aerobic respiration. According to this one, RQ value 1 possible, less than 1 also possible. Now, what about during anaerobic respiration? Okay, so that's about aerobic respiration and RQ value of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins according to NCERT textbook. Actually, this is enough for a NEET examination, but we should go beyond a little bit NCERT textbook. I will give you RQ values of some other compounds. Just remember that value. Equations are not required. If you are interested, I'll give you. I'll send you that one into your WhatsApp. Next one, organic acids. Just remember RQ value one, organic acids. Organic acids also respiratory substrates. Okay, so in the case of organic acids, they are rich in oxygen, and with less carbon. Carbon is less, carbon number. So definitely they need a less amount of oxygen. So they need less oxygen. Unlike fats and proteins, they need less oxygen. Okay, so definitely RQ value of greater than 1. RQ value is greater than 1. Here I will give you some examples, just acid and its RQ value. First one, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. RQ value is 4/3 something. 4/1 actually, sorry. Just remember RQ value 4/1. Its RQ value is around that is 4. Just remember the RQ value, oxalic acid. So amount of CO2 evolved 4 and amount of oxygen consumed is very less when compared with other. Next, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. So here RQ value just directly 1.6 is the RQ value. Next, malic acid. Malic acid. RQ value around 1.3. Just remember RQ values. Okay, so during aerobic respiration. That is also during aerobic respiration. Now, what about anaerobic respiration? RQ value of carbohydrates. Means glucose here I'm taking. So what is the RQ value of carbohydrates during anaerobic respiration? Take two examples. One is alcoholic fermentation, as it was given in our textbook. Alcoholic fermentation. During alcoholic fermentation, out of one glucose molecule incompletely oxidized, what about the number of CO2 molecules evolved? 2 CO2 and oxygen is 0 consumed. Okay, so RQ value is infinity. Something by zero, infinity or not. Okay, so zero oxygen molecules consumed. Reason, the net availability of NADH is zero. NADH produced during glycolysis is utilized during reduction reaction or not. So that's why there is no consumption of oxygen to reduce, to oxidize NADH. Electron transport system possible, ETS possible, OP possible, oxidative phosphorylation, but there is no net availability of NADH. So that's why there is no consumption of oxygen, infinity. And second one, lactic acid fermentation. So RQ value of a glucose molecule during lactic acid fermentation, 0 by 0. So its value is 0. So on the base of all these things, RQ values, possible RQ values, one possible, more than one possible, greater than one, and more than one possible, more than one possible, less than one also possible. Less than one in the case of fats and proteins. Greater than one in the case of, for example, oxalic acid, 1, tartaric acid, 1.6, malic acid, 1.3. So one possible, more than one possible, less than one possible. Next, zero possible, lactic acid fermentation. Next, infinity also possible. So these are the possibilities for RQ values. One possible, more than one possible, less than one possible, zero possible, infinity possible, and not possible, not existing, not possible, not existing, not possible, not existing is negative value. Negative is absent. Negative absent means less than zero. No, this is very, very important. So negative value in the case of RQ value, negative value is absent. Less than zero is absent. One possible, more than one possible, less than one possible, zero possible, infinity possible. Less than zero is not existing. Okay. So this is the additional part. Here in this case, just remember RQ values. That is enough. Reason, sometime they're asking RQ value of some compounds more than one. What are they? Just remember these RQ values. That is enough. Okay, right? So that's about RQ value. So according to equation, RQ value depends on the number of CO2 molecules evolved by number of O2 molecules consumed. But while reading the textbook content, definitely you should realize that not only on the basis of evolved CO2, O2 consumed, it depends on number of carbon atoms and oxygen atoms present in the respiratory substrate undergoing oxidation. And one more statement, for example, seed is undergoing germination. During germination, germinating seeds, the type of respiration is anaerobic respiration. Look into summary statements, summary or additional statements. So anaerobic respiration is present in many prokaryotes, some eukaryotes, unicellular eukaryotes, and germinating seeds also. If seeds are germinated in concerned water, definitely you will get some alcoholic smell. That is because of anaerobic respiration. That's why we are using grains to prepare malt, beer, like that, because of anaerobic respiration, right? So there is about RQ value of different substrates. So for example, seed is with carbohydrate and fats. What is the RQ value of so-called respiratory substrates? In seed, if starch present, RQ value 1. Fat present, RQ value less than 1, 0.7, 0 point something possible. It depends on reserve food material present in that seed. Okay, so that is about RQ values.